I studied in Jspiders. I'm a student of Sri Siddhartha Institute of Technology, Tumkur, where my engineering degree completed. And after engineering, I thought to even I don't have idea what to do. On that time, my friend told me about Jspiders Rajajinagar, where he specifically told about Uday sir and Keshav sir. And after that, I thought to join Jspiders in Java, and I joined. After joining, I gave interview in 1 month only, and only I got selected to the Capgemini company where I give an interview. So I selected, and the coaching whatever they're giving their clubs is very good, and they'll solve the problem at any busy schedule. And HRs also highly interactive towards the students. Whatever the doubts are there, they'll solve it there only. Thank you.